it his?
I think he just bought that
Do you
truck.
think he bought that truck?
I like that truck that we got.
This is gonna be your car one day.
But where was car?
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You'll hop in the
Do
back?
you hope that Daddy bought this truck?
I bought it. It's our truck.
Are you gonna like it?
Mm-hmm.
You don't see the inside?
We came about Apple.
Yep. Until you're old enough to drive it.
Well, we tried that to work.
Yep. And to school. Look, it has your seat already in there.
Oh my
Where
goodness.
was car?
I got rid of it.
And then we just buy that.
Well,
I sure did.
he thought you were saving that car for him.
Thank you, Dada.
You're welcome.
When I go on my bumping up and the back, so I can be a pop up.
You gonna put a pop up in the back?
But now Daddy can pull a camper, can't he?
Charlie, come up here.
Come here.
Dada,
2014.
Put him in the driver's seat, honey.
on that road track.
Yep, we're gonna take it on a road trip. Yeah, it gets good gas mileage.
He's too young to be talking about gas mileage.
Mama, Dada here where my dad said that truck can go on road trip.
I know. What do you think?
Dada already came in that truck for a long time.
It's our truck. It's not going anywhere.
How many Dada that car?
Not too much.
Only how much?
How much do you think, Charlie?
Maybe one.
Maybe $1?
More than that, but yeah, it wasn't. We got a good deal on it.
Wow. He's more excited than just
You like
picture.
Apple.
It's our truck. Yeah, we're gonna keep it forever.
Mama, that truck can go on road trip.
I know it can go on road trips.
And see, you hook a camper up to that right there and pull it.
Yeah. It's not like on my dad's Jeep.
Yep, we have that one of those on Dada's Jeep too.
So what do you think, Charlie?
That's good.
It's good?
Dada, will you try that to work?
Yep, and you can ride to it in school tomorrow.
Look at me, Charlie.
See?
Cheese. Show me your new truck. Point to it.
Do you like it, Charlie?
Is it a good one?
And there was new car.
Yep.
He's got to touch it all. It's going to be fingerprints.
Why
on it.
doesn't need a new one?
Because you told me I needed a truck.
Oh,
Didn't you say I need a truck? Do you like it?
too hard.
Yep, we can haul a lot of stuff back there. We can put our boats back there.
Yeah.
Our paddleboard. You know what else fits back there? Our bicycles.
And our tent.
We can put a tent back there.
Yeah, and we can take that truck to camping.
I'm going to take you to the shop where I got it, okay? Because they're going to put some of those steps on the side so we can step up on it.
And like a bed, pop up and stuff,
No, we're not going to put one of those on there yet.
but I will come with both on the top
Yeah,
of
Jim
the
needs scales.
Do you like my dad and new
Oh, I love
car?
it.
Look, Charlie,
I love it.
you can even sit right here.
Oh, wow, you get to sit in the middle.
You can sit in the
It's
middle.
got seat belts.
Do you want to go for a quick ride into the park?
Mhm. And Papa, Money, and Dan can come.
Okay, we can all go if you want to.
Because a lot of people can.
Well, hop up in your seat. We'll take it. We'll ride it over to the park real quick. Short trip. And then we'll go eat in a little while, Leonard.
Do you like that, Papa? Apple?
Yep.
You like it, Papa?
Yeah. I gave us some dirty from some heavy duty floor mats.
You don't think it'll rain
Dirty.
before we get back, do you?
Yeah, it might. Let's